I got this really cute pink and gold little backpack purse the other day, and I thought that it would look really cute if I had a custom design right here. So that is the project for today. This is what we will use to transfer our design onto our leather bag. For your supplies, you'll need this Angelus leather prepared deglazer as well as the finisher. I have the matte acrylic finisher, but they do have other types of finishes if you don't want matte. And of course, the colors that you are using. This is also Angelus their paint, some paint brushes. The very first step is to decide what design you want on your bag. I decided on a My Melody print, so I'll have My Melody on the front. Because this is for beginners or people who aren't too experienced with drawing or painting, I will show you how you can get whatever design you want onto your bag without having to know how to draw. I have my bag here and I have my wax paper. I'll measure out how much wax paper I need for the design and cut it out. Okay. There we have our wax paper. Here is my design. I sized it to the size that I think would look good on my bag. Wax paper on top and tape it right on there. On to start tracing. You can use lead pencils to trace, but I'm using a regular graphite pencil because the lead transfers better that way instead of using a mechanical pencil. My sketch is done. Keep in mind that when you trace, it will be mirrored. So if you're using letters or any kind of word, make sure you flip the image before you start tracing so that when you go to apply this onto your bag, the words are not backwards. After tracing your design, clean your leather with the Angelus leather prepare and deglazer. That will help the paint adhere better and it makes the design last longer. After that, get your traced design and face the side that you are drawing on downwards. Mine will be about here. Get your pencil and just shade the back. There. Your lines are a little faded, but they work as guides, so they don't have to be all that. Going in with the pink first. As you can probably tell, my camera died again. And I charged that thing right away. I don't know what the heck is what it is, okay? It is what it is. I'm moving on to the white paint. Moving on to our green color. It is currently the next day. This is the progress that I've made so far. I mixed in the gift box blue and the pale yellow Angelus paint for this green color, and I really like the way it looks. I think it's a cute, like, minty pale green. But look how adorable. This is how it came out. I am going to go over it with some white to fix up her eyes because I do think her eyes look a little tiny bit weird. Overall, I'm happy with how it came out.